Welcome to another great Wye video success tip for business managers. Hello, Hector Bosotti here with some great sales tips on how to sell more creditor insurances. When taking a credit application from your customer, if they're a homeowner with a mortgage, be sure to ask if they have life, disability coverage, or both. They may not have a mortgage or any coverage whatsoever. However, we'll show you how to leverage your customer's answers or housing status when presenting or closing your creditor insurance protection plans. Let's see some examples. If the customer has insurance on their mortgage, just as your home mortgage is protected, the loan balance will also be paid, leaving the vehicle as an asset as well. People usually insure their two most valuable assets, their home and their vehicle. If the customer has a mortgage but no coverage, assume they have private coverage. Since your mortgage will be looked after with the private policy you have, you can maintain the value of the balance of those funds for your family's surviving needs by covering the loan balance on the vehicle, leaving it too as an asset, not a liability to your family. Or since you probably have a private disability policy, you can look at the coverage as an income boost. Most customers could use a few extra dollars each month towards their other living expenses and financial obligations. Hopefully you're pulling and printing off credit reports so you can now show and refer to the credit report at this time to remind your customer what their other financial responsibilities are. This is a powerful tip. If the customer is mortgage free, in the past you strike me as the type of person who would typically protect any loans you had with either life or disability coverage or both. That same coverage is available on your new auto loan as well. Let me review your options. This strategy assumptively complements the customer, thereby obligating them to take the coverage. If the customer is a renter, although you still have to pay the rent should you be off work due to an illness or injury, at least your rent payment will be made for you, and that's the one that shows up on your credit report. If you offer loss of employment coverage as well, even if you lose your job or are laid off, your payments will be made for you. This is another powerful tip that will dramatically improve your results with customers who are renters. If you know the customer will be able to write off part of their vehicle payments, leverage that information when starting a creditor insurance presentation or later when faced with an objection. If you're unsure, just ask your customer. Here's an example. Customer gives you an objection. Are you one of those lucky individuals who can write off part of their vehicle payments? Or you mentioned earlier that you're able to write off part of your vehicle payments, did you not? Most people in your situation will take advantage of the write-offs and register as much vehicle and loan protection as possible. Can you count on Revenue Canada to pay for a repair bill down the road or make your payments for you if you're not working on a reduced income? Let's include all the coverage and get RevCan to pay for it. If you're just starting out as a business manager, want to become one, or simply want to learn about new tools and strategies to improve your performance, register for one of our 2 information-packed workshops to choose from: the 5-day Zoom Business Manager program or the 2-day Advanced Business Manager program. Call our toll-free number and register today. For Wye Management, I'm Hector Bosotti. Follow us on Facebook or check out our other video success tips on our website. Thanks for tuning in.